guys, it's Connor Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making zucchini muffins. In our last video we did zucchini pizza and everyone seemed to like that. We want to do another zucchini recipe while you can still get zucchinis at the store and from your farmer's market or just out of your garden. So now we're going to be making zucchini muffins.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, to make the zucchini muffins, we're going to start out with 2 cups of sugar. And we are going to do 3 eggs. We'll just mix that a little bit. Cup of vegetable oil. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And then we're going to add 2 cups of shredded zucchini. You can peel it or you don't have to. Just wash it off and shred it if you want to leave the peeling on. Then I've got a teaspoon of soda, teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. So I'm going to add that. All I have left to add is flour. Using Hudson cream flour. It's my favorite. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Sometimes I put walnuts in there. That's optional. I'm not going to add them this time. So we're going to just, you can use whatever size pan you like. I'm going to use these mini ones and the giant ones. We're only going to make about 2 of the big ones, and the rest we're just going to do the mini ones. So I think it's just easier to put it in by teaspoons. I fill them up about 2/3 of the way, and I like to sprinkle them with cinnamon and sugar then before I bake them. So we've got 24 mini ones, and so we're going to do 2 giant ones. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350. And the small ones, I'm going to check them after 12 minutes. And the big ones, I'm going to put on about 25 minutes. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but we'll check them. Okay, the small ones are done after 12 or 13 minutes. And then we still got the big ones in there. They've still got about 11 more minutes. So we'll let these cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, and then we'll get them out. Okay, here's the finished product. Now we're going to try them.
Okay guys, we're back. Our zucchini muffins are done and they look really good. We made a ton of them, so this recipe can feed a lot of people. You can make any size of muffin, and they seem to turn out pretty well. So just make sure when you're baking them, there will be different times for each size, but just bake them until they're brown and done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our zucchini muffin video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you make this recipe, make sure that you send us pictures and post them on our social medias, because we love to see when you make our recipes. And also check out our other video where we made zucchini pizza, another zucchini recipe, and stay tuned for some more great videos coming very soon. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
I'm so excited when I use Hudson cream flour. that I forgot to get a knife. Yummy. Get it?